Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, CLL 0. I'm joined by
Sir Percival,
Lima.
Wiseman Mkandlana.
Sure.
aka Mdala.
Matiana.
Sure.
Game one is what?
Wiseman. Hey, game mnandi kakhulu man.
Bimnani.
Bimnandi futhi besazi ukuthi soyiwina lesikotini sikama Minzela.
Yeah.
Yeah. And abadlali bonke abadlali kamnandi kakhulu.
Sure.
Yeah, bonke ngeke ngisho ukuthi ubani nobani.
Yeah.
Yeah, kodwa ngizophuma naye uChain.
Yeah.
Umbokazi.
Yeah.
Alabafana bayenzile into umsebenzi omkhulu.
Yeah.
Futhi ke ngeke madoda sizoyithatha lezi zinto zonke. Siya kwiCAF siyaya.
Inga.
Sizoyithatha futhi ngenkani.
ICAF.
I-league. Hayi laba bajwayele ukuyithatha hayi ababhekisise nanje abahlehle sikhona.
Yeah.
Sikhona sisho ukuthi kwathini ngabo.
Yeah.
Akodwa sikhona.
Man of the match, Sir Percival.
Before man of the match, you know, there's a huge difference between a left winger and a left midfielder. Under Jose Rivero, Mufokeng was a left midfielder because we were playing in formation 4-2-3-1.
Yeah.
And when you play 4-2-3-1, there's no winger. There is a left midfielder, an attacking midfielder, and a right midfielder.
Yeah.
Now that's why you find Mufokeng struggling under
Coach
Wadu. Cow left, right?
Yeah.
Because now he's forced to play wing. Those are two different positions.
Yeah.
Now, for now, I'd say man of the match. I wanted to give it to Libizone. However, I think our police did well, but I think Kamlau, Clemeta Berika because he gave the difference goal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chaga.
Jack.
Tough patience.